Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So how about cooking a nice spicy chicken curry today? Sounds good? Okay, let's try out Chettinad chicken curry, which is really very flavorful. It is from the Chettinad region of Tamil Nadu in South India. This place is very famous for its curries, spicy curries, especially non-veg curries. But there are also many veg curries you can make with the same masala. The masala is really flavorful and it can be made and stored also in airtight containers. It stays good for even 1 year in the refrigerator. So let's proceed to make Chettinad chicken curry. Ingredients for Chettinad chicken curry. We have taken chicken ½ kilo, onions 2 large sliced, tomatoes 2 cut into pieces, oil we'll be using 6 to 7 tablespoons, ginger 1 tablespoon crushed, garlic 1 tablespoon crushed, tamarind lemon sized, Chettinad masala 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon, and salt as needed. Now this Chettinad masala video I have already posted. I am not putting it here. If I combine the video and the making process of the curry, the video will become too long. So please check it out. I am sharing the link of this masala in the description box. This is a lot of flavorful ingredients: desiccated coconut, peanuts, spices, chillies. Red chilli level can be adjusted according to your taste. Mine is a milder version as my family does not eat spicy food. And then for tempering, we require mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, Asafoetida 2-3 pinches, oil 3 tablespoons, some curry leaves. Here I am using dried curry leaves because I didn't have fresh ones. It's better to use fresh ones. And dried red chillies 2 to 3. Now take a pan. Add oil. This curry requires more oil, so I am using about 7 tablespoons. Now dip in the sliced onions. We have to saute them until they become golden brown. This is a really nice and flavorful curry from South India. It pairs well with plain rice. You can even enjoy it with dosas and uttappams. Now continue stirring this onion from time to time so that it gets fried evenly. This requires a little bit of patience, but you have to do it. Now you can see the onion is getting darker. At this stage, don't stop stirring. You continuously stir it, otherwise some portion of it will turn black. Now the right color has come out. Add the tomatoes at this stage and garlic and ginger. Give it a nice stir. Add little water, about 1 cup, and simmer it to cook. Always ginger garlic should be added in the end. It gives out a nice aroma. After 4 to 5 minutes, it has become soft. The tomatoes have become soft. Now we'll let it cool. Leave it for a while and then we'll open and grind it coarsely. You can do it in a mixie or use a hand grinder. Now add the chicken to this masala. Mix everything together. We have to now saute this till it becomes nice and brown and the oil starts separating. Time to time, close the lid, again saute it. Do not add any water now, because the onion paste has a lot of water that has to get dried up, and the color will become nice and golden brown. So continue to stir. Cover it, cook it for half a minute, stir again, repeat the same process. Halfway through, we can add turmeric powder and the salt. There's no other masala spice powder added to this because all the ingredients are there in the Chettinad masala. So do check it out. If I combine, the video will be too long. So you check out the video of how to make the masala first, and then you can proceed to make the chicken. In fact, if you make the masala, it's handy. You can store it in the refrigerator for a longer time. It stays good for even 1 year. So prepare the masala ahead. Now the chicken is almost getting done. The onion color is changing. Little more to go. See, now the almost oil is separating now. You can see the nice lovely color. This process takes at least 10 minutes. Now add 2 cups of water. I'm going to have a thicker gravy. If you want more gravy, you can add half a cup more. That depends on how you prefer it. So now give it a nice stir and cover it to simmer again. In between, we'll open the lid and stir it so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. The chicken still needs to cook. Continue to simmer. After simmering for 8 to 10 minutes, the chicken is done. Check for salt now. The cooking time again depends on how tender the chicken is. If it is very tender, it takes 8 minutes. If it is little firm, then 10 minutes. Now add the Chettinad masala. I'm adding 2 tablespoons. If you want little more also, you can add. And 2 tablespoons of tamarind extract. Give it a stir carefully, because the chicken is already cooked. Only we have to simmer a little bit for the masala to get incorporated. This gravy is perfect for me. As I said, if you want more gravy, you can add little more water. Now after simmering for half a minute, finally I'll be adding coriander. Now this is frozen coriander. That's why I didn't show in the ingredients. I freeze it for emergency. Sometimes you don't get it in the market, especially during monsoon. So you can also check out the link. I will share it here in the description box, how to freeze coriander leaves. Now the chicken is done. Just perfect chicken curry, so flavorful. The kitchen is filled with the aroma. The masala is really very nice. It gives a good flavor to the curries. Apart from this curry, I even add it sometimes to my various stir fries a little bit. It is really handy one to have in the kitchen. Now we can do the tempering. Add 3 tablespoons of oil in a small tadka pan. Now this, you will be surprised, this chicken curry has a lot of asafoetida also. Add the mustard seeds first, then asafoetida, 3 generous pinches. Curry leaves, as I said, you can use fresh ones, I didn't have them, and 3 or 4 dried red chillies. Switch off the gas. Finally add little bit of Kashmiri chilli powder to get a good color. This one gives a nice color to the curries. Stir in the tempering, saving little for garnishing later when we serve it in the dish. Now that Chettinad chicken curry is ready to be served. You are surely going to enjoy this one. Must give it a try. This is the favorite of many. All my guests love this chicken curry when I make in parties. Dish it out and serve with plain rice, appams or papadams. Looks yummy, isn't it? So do give it a try and share the feedback, how you liked it. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notifications. Here are some of the videos from the archives. In case you have missed them, you can watch them now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.